Good morning. This is our refrigerated centrifuge brushless. Today I will describe you how to operate this machine. In this machine there is two knobs to change the parameters. The first knob is for temperature control. If you rotate this anti-clockwise and clockwise, then temperature will increase or decrease. I am rotating clockwise, then temperature is increasing. If I will rotate anti-clockwise, then temperature will decrease. Now I am going to set it at 20 degree, minus 20 degree Celsius. To start and stop the cooling function, short press this knob, cooling is off. Again short press, cooling is on. So this rotary encoder is for independent temperature control. Now I will describe the parameter setting of this machine. This second knob is for set the RPM, time, acceleration and deceleration. So short press this knob, you will here see you can change the rotor of this machine. In this machine we are providing 3 rotors according to the customer requirement. First rotor is 24 into 2 ml, second rotor is 8 into 15 ml and third rotor is 6 into 50 ml. So whatever will the requirement of the customer, he will select the suitable rotor. Again short press, there is a option of change RPM. So same, if you rotate clockwise then RPM will increase, if you rotate anti-clockwise then RPM will decrease. For 8 into 15 ml angle rotor, the maximum RPM is 13,000, so it will be stable at 13,000 RPM. Again short press this knob, you can change the time. Same, if you rotate clockwise then time is increased, anti-clockwise time will be decreased. So here 1 minute is the minimum time period and 99 minutes is the maximum time period. Again short press, you will see acceleration time. Acceleration time is the time taken by the motor to achieve its set RPM. Now suppose if I set it at 46 seconds, then my rotor will take 46 seconds to achieve the 13,000 RPM. Again short press, deceleration is there. Deceleration time is the time taken by the rotor to stop at 0 RPM. So minimum deceleration time is 50 seconds. Actually this is 50 seconds is because 8 into 15 ml angle rotor is heavy in weight. So there is moment of inertia of this rotor is high. So I will set it at 50 seconds. Again short press, you will see program success is there. Now compressor is on, set temperature is minus 20 degree and present value is 03 degree. It will take around 20 minutes to achieve its set temperature, 20 to 25 minutes. So this machine have various safety feature. First of all, I will see you the internal chamber of this machine. Here is a push button. Here is push button to open this lid. This is the MCB to power on, off and off. Digital power indicator is power switch is also available. From here only control panel will be shut down. From here all machine is shut down. This is the inner chamber of the machine. You can see here is some water drops due to high minus temperature. You will see here temperature is going to fall down. Now the set temperature, actual temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. This is our 8 into 15 ml angle rotor. To close the lid, press this lid. I will show you the safety features of the machine. Lid is open and I am trying to start this machine. So if I long press this machine, knob, then there will be error message, close the lid. I will show you again. If I long press this knob, then close the lid message is there. So first of all, close this lid and now try to start the machine. Again long press, machine will be started. One safety feature is there. If you want to stop, open the lid in run condition, then this will not allow by the machine. So I will stop the machine. This is our refrigerated centrifuge. I will show you the back of this machine. Thank you.